Good morning, Drew here with your metals market update for January 5th, 2018. This is our first metals market update for goldbugtraining.com this year. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what these markets are showing us from a technical perspective, and we'll go over some of the economic reports towards the end here. But currently you can see we've got gold trading at 1320.1, negative 6.3. We've got silver coming in right now at 1718, negative almost about 9 cents or so. And we've got platinum currently trading at 968.3 right there. And we've got palladium coming in at 1088 and a quarter. And you can see that right there as well. And you got copper coming in negative as well at 323 and a quarter per pound. So let's go and take a look at what the charts are kind of showing us. And I know we bounced really quickly from that 1245, 1250 area, went right up to that 1330 area, and you can see that right here, currently trading at 1321.4. I would expect this to kind of slow down, and I think that's what's happening. It's slowing down, looking for that kind of a back and fill action, because the velocity that it went up towards the end of the year was just way too fast. That was, in my opinion, kind of indicative of a short covering scenario, not necessarily new spec longs or new institutional money coming in. I think it was more book squaring that we're watching take place, and then the specs took it up another $10 or $15 from there, and I would expect it to come off from where we're currently at. You can see on the 4-hour, though, on a short-term basis, if you were looking to kind of enter right now, you could, but in my opinion, that's kind of a high-risk scenario just because it's gone up so much so fast, and I think it's looking for some news to come off from where it's currently trading. Let's go and take a look at silver. So we've got March silver currently trading at 1718, and this one could really, in my opinion, come down relatively pretty easy, back down to that 1670 area. And again, like I said, it's trading at 1718, and you can see that right there. And we really just put the brakes on right here. Okay, so kind of going through that exhaustive phase. I keep an eye on this one. I think this one always throws a little bit more volatility at you. So you could really, in my opinion, really see this quite easily come down 30, 40, 50 cents in the short term. Let's take a look at platinum. So currently trade 968.4, and again, we've had so many green candlesticks, it just went straight up. I would expect, and it would be healthy for the markets to see this kind of come off from where it's currently trading, maybe get down to that 940 area on the platinum markets. Palladium, 1088 and a quarter. Again, same kind of formation with gold, really put the brakes on at this level, and we should be seeing that one come off as well, unless some type of news comes out, whether that's a fundamental news. And the dollar I've been watching closely as well. If the dollar should bounce from here, the metal should come down a little bit, and the dollar's been really beat up in the last week or so. But saying that, it'd be nice to see this come back down to the 1054. And copper, let's take a look at this one. This one's a little bit more industrially used and sometimes a leading indicator. I know back 10, 15 years ago, we used to use copper as a leading indicator because it's a base metal. And lo and behold, look what we've got here. We've got another negative number, and it's really come off its high. So this could be the leading indicator to show us that silver will be coming off as well. So keep your eyes on this one. So in saying that, you can see silver's now only down about negative 4.4. But I think overall, this is Friday. Coming into next week, we should see some back and fill action, unless we get some type of news or event, like I've always been saying. That's just one predictor you cannot predict, is kind of the news or the economic numbers that could propel these markets higher. As far as the reports for next week, we've got the Petro report. What else we've got? We've got the Fed balance sheet coming out, money supply next Thursday. And let me take a look here. And then as far as Friday, pretty much the standard retail sales. So nothing, or consumer sentiment as well. So nothing big. There's no FOMC triple header next Wednesday. So it should be relatively calm on the economic front. But of course, the wild cards right now still the geopolitical side of it as well. So definitely keep your eyes on these markets. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at this number right up here, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Other than that, have a great trading day. Take care. Bye.